All I have to do is I say, go ahead, do it again. Yeah. Don't like it, yeah. But you know, shaking pennies in a
that's what.
no, that does nothing. If I go, they stop what they're doing. But
Mine intelligent looks at me funny like, what kind of noise is that?
Animals! Oh, that's fun.
Not do.
You okay?
yep, I just hooked her up.
Okay, so you're gonna be on this side.
Uh-huh.
I'm with you on side.
Oh, okay. I'll be out in a sec. But
Animals.
I don't know. My little one is just so stupid. He just is. I'm sure he's brain damaged.
I don't know.
Animals.
Just so dumb.
Sounds like Tilly.
It's a good. I always say it's a good thing you guys are cute, because
Yeah.
otherwise,
That's what Steve says. It's good.
a couple of times. So now I have to say, come on, let's go get a treat, and then he'll drop it. But if I try to grab it,
我梳头发，你
Tilly
怎么梳
runs. I
头发呢？
can't catch her fast.
my other one, he will. The little one, I said, drop it. I'm scared he stops. The other one doesn't care. He can care less.
Yeah. It's like Tilly should just take off with it in her mouth.
I'm surprised I haven't had to go to the vet for removal of foreign body, because that dog eats anything and everything.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Tilly's pretty good about it.
梳子，
Oh, paper,
Oh.
anything. Anything that's on the counter within his reach.
这是什么？
Garbage.
Aw.
Oh,
Where will my feet take me today? Let's make a fantastic
I'm not getting any more gifts, any more costumes for them.
We
They
can
wear
choose
for
any
maybe
kind
5
of story
seconds and
that
that's
you'd
it.
like,
Oh, she
even
wears
a silly one.
Bumblebee.
Let's get started. I'll read each sentence. When I get to the end of each sentence,
Yeah,
choose
she
a
doesn't
word,
know any
fill in the
better that
missing
she has
piece.
any kind
I
of
put on my
choice in the matter,
sneakers
so.
and went on a ride to Illinois with Grandpa. We
She
took a ride in
thinks.
a... Now it's your turn to
See
fill in
all
the
the
missing
toys.
words. Click on a picture.
The toys she has.
Oh,
All
yeah.
the
Oh,
toys.
yeah.
Scattered all over the house.
And
My
especially
husband's
today.
limited to me to how many I can take with us in the RV.
Yeah.
Then we sat down and ate some
And what?
pie.
And my older dog has this little one from when he was a puppy. I can't get rid
What
of
a
it.
fanciful
I've
day.
given it. I
Nice
tried to
work.
get to bigger
Now,
sizes, and
I'm
he
going to
destroys
read your
it.
whole
And he'll sit
story.
there, barely
Put on my
big, and
sneakers
suckles on
and went
one
on a
corner.
ride to Illinois with Grandpa. We took a ride in a
dog does
van.
that.
We
So
went
it's what
outside to
one-
play with a
Yeah.
doll. Then we sat down and ate some
It's so funny.
pie. What
Oh,
a
they are.
fanciful
They-
day.
So when
This
she
is my
beeps, just
fantabulous
push the
story.
cord.
Yeah.
I laced up my climbing boots and went up to the mountains. I looked in a cave. A cute little cat came out. It was pushing
That's
a
Christmas.
drum with its nose. Neato! That was a fantabulous day. Neato! What a
There's-
franerific story.
There's a
Leap. I put on some flippers and went to the lake. I was playing in the water and out popped a fish. He was bright pink.
got
He was
one
tickling
little
a
patch
leaf.
of blonde hair.
Snickerdoodle. That's so
About
silly.
this big, a little
Neato!
patch
What a
You can barely
franerific story.
see.
Let's make
dot.
another story.
That's blonde.
Make a new story. I put on my galoshes and took a trip to the farm. I met a very funny
I thought I was taking
Sheep.
pictures.
beau. Zanny! Now I'll read your story aloud. I put on my galoshes
that's
and took a
in
trip to the farm. I met a very
See, it
funny
was so
sheep.
dark, and
It
I
was
couldn't
wearing a
get the
big
flash.
red bow. It climbed into a car and it
Fingers
honked
in
the
the
horn.
way.
Beep beep. Whoa, that was one silly animal. Neato! What a franerific story. Let's make another story. In the morning, I laced up my hiking boots and went to the forest. I was playing in rocks. Then I looked up to see what was in a tree. It was a bright blue bird. Rocks. Then I looked up to see what was in a tree. It was a bright blue bird. Another story together.